Hi, I'd like to recommend you some California wines today because having a good glass of wine can help us forget about the headaches and the stress we have during this pandemic and recharge ourselves to have a fresh start from the next week. As you may know, Napa Valley in California produces the best class of wines in the world. So many people say Napa wines are better than French wines. However, there are so many different kinds of California wines out there, so you may not know which one you should buy. So in this video, I'll show you the best California wines in different price ranges under $100. Please note, I'm not a wine expert. I recommend you the wines based on my personal experience. I drank many of them and then received great feedback from the previous recommendations I gave to the people around me. Generally, people say red wine goes well with meats, white wine goes well with seafood. But when you go to a restaurant, you cannot just say, oh, please bring me a bottle of red wine or white wine, right? Let's start with the very basics about red wine and white wine. As you see in this slide, for white wines, we have three categories: dry, sweet, and rich. All of these terms refer to a level of sweetness. Let's see only the first one in each category. Dry. All of the grape sugar is converted to alcohol during fermentation, so they have a simple and clear taste. We have Sauvignon Blanc in this category. Next is sweet. As it says, it's sweet. So many ladies like this wine. We have Moscato here. And rich. It is well balanced and rich flavor. We have Chardonnay in this category. Next is red wine. It also has three categories: light, medium, and bold. Let's see only the first one in each category here too. Light. These wines are at or below 12.5% alcohol by volume. It's an easy drinking wine. We have Pinot Noir in this category. Medium. They typically have an alcohol content between 12.5% and 13.5%. They fall somewhere in between light and full bodies. We have Merlot here. Bold. They often have an alcohol content of over 13.5% by volume. A full-bodied wine is heavier with bold taste, complex flavors, and a powerful aroma. We have Cabernet Sauvignon in this category. Now, I recommend you some California wines in three different price ranges that I saw when I went to a Costco a few days ago. In addition, I'd like to recommend you the wines from some representative wineries in Silicon Valley, including Robert Mondavi, Sterling, and Castello di Amorosa. If you want to buy wines cheaper than Costco, and if you are in California, I'd like to recommend you to become a member at BIGINNERS. It is free. One thing I like the most from this store is that they have special events very often that you can purchase the second bottle of wine only with a 5-cent coin. As you see in this slide, Coppola is another wine that I can recommend. It is $19.95 for a bottle, but you pay only 5 cents for the second bottle. So you get 2 bottles for 1 bottle price. Great deal, isn't it? Of course, you can buy wines from grocery stores and liquor stores, but generally, you can find they are more expensive than Costco or BIGINNERS. This is it for today. Please leave me a comment below. If you like this video, make sure to click on the button, like, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you can be notified when I post my next video. Thank you very much. See you next time.